Hey guys, this is GenSpark Super Agent tutorial for beginners. So I'm over here in the homepage. Go to Super Agent, I'll show you what it can do and the way it works. GenSpark AI is similar to ChatGPT. I'm sure you're familiar with ChatGPT, everyone knows it. So over here in the chat you tell him what to do and he creates it for you. Now you need credits over here. Every day you get like 1 credit I believe, and I already used mine. So I'll show you what I did with my credit. If you click over here, you will see your history. Just click on that. And let's see what I did over here. All I asked him to do is to build a one-page website about Lamborghini cars. And what he did, he went to search for information about Lamborghini. As you can see here, first let me search for some information about Lamborghini. He's giving you all the information. Where he takes it from, you can view over here. Going a bit deeper with the information. Also here he says let me also search for some images of Lamborghini cars, and as you can see found all these. And over here he says one page website about Lamborghini cars. All this information I've gathered to create an informative and visually appealing website. And if I click on that, you can see the website over here. Very quick, very easy. It has some issues with the images, as you can see here. So you need to give him more details, maybe explain him that you have issues with the website images. But as you can see, it's amazing. In just one text, he created all these. So now you can build a full page. And if you need the code, you got it over here. All the information about the page. So you can fix stuff if you know a thing about coding. And let's see what he says here. I've created one page website about Lamborghini cars. The website is now available for you to view at Lamborghini Legacy of the... As you can see, I clicked on the link and it took me to the website he created. So let's go back. Also all the information about what he did in the page, and you can tell him to change stuff if you want. So as you can see, it's an amazing tool. Also, you could tell him to do other stuff like create a video. It will actually create a video for you. You can tell him to write you scripts, blogs, emails, do a research for you, and other great stuff. Unfortunately, I do not have any more credits to show you, but as you can see, you can make videos, you can make scripts, you can make content. Yeah, so I hope it helps you to understand what it can do. It's an amazing tool, and I hope you use it. And that's it for this video.